Hi everyone, I'm just going to show the steps how we can download the Gradle to Windows machine and the few steps to configure environmental variables, things like that. So Gradle, it's like a kind of build tool. It's used mostly in software industries. It's equivalent to Maven to manage the dependencies. So for that, we need to just download the binaries from official site which is compatible to Windows. Okay, let's start with that. Gradle download. Okay, so for this we need the JDK installed in our machines. Already I have configured the my JDK. Just show that Java version. Sorry. So in my machine, I have installed JDK 1.8 version. So this is the base to run the Gradle stuffs. So you can see the prerequisites and the official sites itself. So other things, we have different option to install in different operating systems. So we'll go with Windows based installation. Okay. So I'm downloading the latest version, Gradle 7.4. So we'll verify before that in my machine is there any Gradle things are there or not. Okay, so it says it's not recognized. So it means need to download the Gradle, need to configure that. Okay, let it download. Okay, it's completed. We'll go and extract. Okay, extract all. Okay, I'm copying from here to my preferred location. Okay, I'll go to C drive. We can keep it inside program files, or most of the, if we are working for corporate or some MNCs, mostly the admin privileges will not be enabled by default, so we cannot place any files or softwares inside the C drive. So better will go some other directory, or we can keep it in a drive. We can refer that. Okay, I'm just creating a new folder here saying that Gradle. Okay, I'm pasting that. Okay, so we can see the bin folder here. So now we need to copy this location, and we have to configure the environment variables. So I'm just searching the environment. So there are two options to set these values only to my account or to the system variables. So whenever we are under some network or some corporate account, So by default, they will disable this admin rights to edit the system environment variable. So in that case, we can go and edit. We can create that Gradle home values inside our accounts. Even that also will work. So it's my personal machine, so I'm just adding that environment variables here. So we can create a new key value pair Gradle underscore home. That is nothing the actual physical path of this Gradle binary. So we need to copy without bin. So why means the bin will be configured under the path location. So you can copy this Gradle home and we can edit this path. We can add one more that we can use that alias. So bin, now we can add the bin. Okay, I can save it now. I'm just closing this command prompt. Will reopen cmd Gradle version. So we can see that environment variables, everything done. So we can see the Gradle versions are active. Like that, we can, when we work with different Gradle version projects, we can switch this by changing that environment variable. I will show that other option where we can set that environment variable to the account level. So we can choose this because most of the cases we are allowed to create only to our profile. We can configure this, not the system environment variable. So we can go with this approach, or here you can see the Maven I have configured already with system variables. So in this case, I just showed how we can configure with our user variables. It means these parameters visible to this account only, not with when we are working with the multiple accounts. Okay, I have done it for my profile now, so we can do the same for a system also. That also will work. That's it, guys. So the same way we can download different Gradle versions. We can just switch that path in the Gradle home. We can refer the actual Gradle version there, so that will be active. Okay, thank you.